Alright guys, so this video is going to start like this. Welcome to my what I eat in a day. Well, this is a video about the foods that I used to eat when I first started my journey, okay? And I did intermittent fasting. I did the 16-8 method where I fasted for 16 hours and I ate for 8 hours. Well, I didn't eat the whole 8 hours, but you know what I mean. I had an 8-hour eating window. So the fact that I was intermittent fasting, I only ate twice a day, so I had 2 meals, because when you intermittent fast, the point of that is to get rid of breakfast. Okay, so when I first broke my fast, I would always start it off with an egg wrap. So these are all of the items that you're going to need if you want to recreate this egg wrap. I always put in mushrooms. I'll show you guys how much mushrooms. I always use baby spinach. I feel like this is such a staple in my diet even today. I put in some scallions. I think that's called scallions. Green onions. That's what I normally call it. There is some bell peppers, some mini sweet peppers over here. Some cucumber. Here is the Greek yogurt. Eggs, because that is the staple of what we are making today. Here is the tortilla wraps that I use, and I also use cheese. Now, when it comes to the stuff that you put into your egg, you don't have to use these veggies. You can use what veggies you like, but these are the ones that I like to use. As long as they're veggies that you're using, I really don't think there will be a problem. So, yes, these are the items that you're going to need to make your egg wrap. Okay. So for the eggs, we like to spice it up, you know. We like to season our stuff around here. So my sister, she's going to be making this while I tape, okay? Say hi, Jenna.
Hi. I'm not a professional, so you guys know.
Okay, so she is going to cut up some onions. So that is the first thing that we're going to do to season the egg and make it taste nice, is put onions. I know some people, actually I know a lot of people don't like onions, but a lot of people do like onions, and I love onions. So that is why we're using onions today to season the egg. Okay, you guys, so we just put oil into the cap and then we just poured it out into the pan. So that is how I like to measure my oil intake. Or you can just get the... Okay, baby, hold on. Or you can just get the spray pan thingy. What's that called, Jenna? The spray thing?
The pan
spray. Yeah, you can get that too. That's also awesome as well. Now, I just used this pan a while ago to make eggs for my daughter. So that's why it's not clean. I don't just use dirty pans out here, okay? Okay, so remember the deli meat I showed you guys in my shopping video? Yeah, this is the deli meat that I used to put in my egg. So we're going to take a couple of pieces, probably like 4 or 5 pieces. Because they're very lean, you guys. Like, the calories on these are, like, close to none, honestly. Like, it's really, really, really good. Okay, now we're just going to add the seasoning salt now. You know, you gotta make this taste good, you know. That's how, I feel like that's how you stay on your, like, on your journey, too, when your food actually tastes good. If your food doesn't taste good, you're not going to want to eat it. You have to make your food taste good so you want to eat it. So now we're putting in some pepper flakes because we like our food spicy. So this is like nothing for us, honestly. I could eat like a whole jar of pepper and it won't bother me. So now we're putting in the egg, you guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scramble it first in a different bowl, and then we're just gonna pour it all over the veggies. So this is 2 full eggs. Normally I would use 1 egg and 2 egg whites, but my sister, this is her, like this is how she makes her egg. I do everything except for the 2 eggs. She uses 2 full eggs for her journey, and it works fine for her. But for me, to make it like, you guys want to know exactly what I eat, I normally just put in an egg white, 2 egg whites and 1 full egg. Okay, so now we're going to add some cheese. If you want to know exactly the amount of cheese that I use on my egg, I use 1/4 cup of cheese, and that it seems to work for me. It's enough for me. It doesn't bother me, and I love it. So yeah, I normally use 1/4 cup of cheese. So now we're just going to take a pot cover and cover it up so it can melt down onto the egg. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it is finished. So now we are going to prepare it. So the first thing we're going to do is put down the tortilla wrap. And I like this a lot because it's a full 100% whole grain, whole wheat wrap. And it tastes amazing. You see, it kind of looks like this. Doesn't it, Jenna?
Yeah, it does.
That's so funny. Okay, so now we are going to take the Greek plain yogurt. And we're going to put it on to the wrap. And I love Greek yogurt, you guys. It is so good for you. The fat is not high at all, and the calories is super low. Like, it's a good amount. So I love to use Greek yogurt. And it's so good instead of like sour cream as well too. So Greek yogurt is the way better choice. And you guys know that I love my sriracha, so I'm going to add sriracha. And I can eat spicy food, you guys, so I eat a lot of sriracha sauce. It does not bother me one bit. So here I'm just cutting up some scallions, right? They're called scallions?
Mm-hmm.
Or green onions. Scallions, green onions, whatever, which one you prefer. Tomato. And I'm just putting them onto the tortilla as well. Now time to place the egg. Some of you guys might be like, oh my god, this egg is burnt. But you know what? We like our eggs cooked well. You don't have to cook it this dark. Honestly, I got distracted and we were talking, so that's the reason why it looks a little dark. But that's fine. Like, I don't mind it, neither does she. But if you want your egg to look a little bit more on the yellow side, you just don't leave it in the pan for that long. Just take it off of the pan right when the egg melts. But we had it like way longer after the egg melts. That's why it looks like that. So yeah, so now we're just going to plop it together. Just like that. And this is the egg wrap. You guys, it is super filling. Like, I'm telling you, this will definitely hold you until your next meal. I'm not even joking. Also too, I like to add a couple carrots on the side because I like to get my macros in when it comes to my calories. So I add some carrots to the side, and then I'll add some carrot dip if I feel fit. Okay, you guys, so for dinner now, I would normally make like chicken. I would either eat chicken breast, or sometimes if there is no chicken breast in my house, I would just have to eat the leg and thigh. So this is how I season it. Okay, so this right here is minced garlic. Right, Jenna?
Yeah.
Okay, so this right here is minced garlic, you guys. So you just put some of that on. I honestly, me and my sister, we eyeball our when we cook. I don't have any measurements for you guys. I kind of just eyeball it. I know it's kind of ghetto, guys, but I'm sorry. And then we also add some mustard. This is some seasoning that my mom made herself. Inside the seasoning is cilantro, parsley, thyme, green onion, onions. There's like so many things in here, but this is like a little, like, I guess you could say secret recipe. My mom makes it, so I use this, but that's what I think is in here, from what I can remember. And I also use some all-purpose seasoning, and I also use some onion powder. So I eyeball all of these ingredients, you guys, and I put it on the chicken. And then once I put it on the chicken, I massage the chicken, and the chicken ended up turning out like this. So this is what the chicken looks like after I mix it all in together and everything like that. So my sister has the oven preheated to 425 degrees. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and then once it's finished cooking, I will put it together with the sides that I have, and I will show you guys what that looks like. All right, you guys, and this is what the chicken looks when it comes out of the oven. Super yummy, super good. Delectulent, is that even a word? It just looks so good, you guys. So I'll show you what it looks like when I put it in with, like, in a plate. I'll show you guys what it looks like once I plate it. Okay, and there you have it, guys. This is what the plate looks like. So you have the chicken, and then we have some spinach. I will garnish that with like some balsamic vinegar dressing, and then we have quinoa with carrots and like broccoli in it. And this is 1 cup of quinoa. So yeah, guys, this is what I would have for dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what I eat in a day when I first started. I will probably do another what I eat in a day video in another obviously another video, but I would do another one later so you guys can kind of see what I eat now. But as it goes for what I used to eat when I first started my journey, this is what I used to eat. So thank you guys so much for watching again. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay guys, bye.